Hello everyone, let's try to solve the following by changing into single logarithm. Try to pause the video and answer it on your own, and then we'll check on later. Okay, so let's check your answer. So for number 1, it's the logarithm of 6 to the base 10 plus logarithm of 3 to the base 10. So this follows the first law of logarithm, or what we call the product law. So this is equal to logarithm of 6 times 3 to the base 10. So we can simplify that. So that's logarithm of 18 to the base 10. Number 2, logarithm of x minus logarithm of y. So since it's minus, so that's the quotient law. So that would be the logarithm of x over y. There. Also in logarithm, if the base is not written, it is understood as base 10. Okay, so it's like base 10. Okay, next, number 3. Logarithm of 4x to the base 3 plus logarithm of x base 3. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so for number 3, it's a plus. So it's the product law. So that's the logarithm of 4x times x to base 3. Okay. So let's simplify. That would be the logarithm of 4x squared to base 3. There. Next, number 4. It's the same as number 3, but it's minus this time. So this follows the quotient law. So the logarithm of 4x over x to base 3. And we can simplify. We can cancel this x. So we'll end up with logarithm of 4 to base 3. That's number 4. Now for number 5, 3 times the logarithm of 4. So this follows the power law. So it means logarithm of 4, and this 3 will be the exponent or index. So logarithm of 4 cube. And what is 4 cube? 4 cube is 64. So it's the logarithm of 64. Now let's try to evaluate the value of each logarithm. So once again, you can pause this video and then answer it on your own. So for number 1, logarithm of 32 to the base 2. So think of it as what would be the exponent of 2, okay, to give you 32. And we know that. So that's 2 to the 5th power is 32. So the logarithm of 32 to the base 2 is 5. Number 2. What's the logarithm of 256 to the base 4? So what should be the exponent or index or power of 4 to get 256? So 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 times 4. So that is 4 to the 4th power is equal to 256. Therefore, the answer for number 2 is 4. Okay, number 3. The logarithm of 32 to the base 1/2. So it's like similar to number 1, but our base is 1/2. Okay, what would be the exponent to give us 32? So if we're going to reverse 1/2, so that would be 2 raised to -1. And what's going to be our exponent x to make 32? So simplifying, that would be 2 raised to -x, and 32 is 2 raised to the 5th power. So -x is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to -5. So this. Okay, number 4. Let's clear up some space. So number 4, what is the logarithm of 1000? So once again, if the base is not written, it's understood. It's base 10. So if that's base 10, so it means what's the exponent of 10 to give us 1000? So that's 10, and that's 1000 is 10 cubed. Therefore, the exponent or index is 3. So logarithm of 1000 is equal to 3. Next, last number, logarithm of 1 over 1000. So again, the base is not written, so it means it's base 10. So what is the exponent of 10 to give us 1 over 1000? So let's get 1 over 1000. That is equal to 1000 raised to -1. So 10 raised to cube times -1. So that's -3. Okay. So therefore, our exponent here is equal to -3. So logarithm of 1 over 1000 is -3.